Are you constantly feeling tired and drained? Do you ever wonder why fatigue seems to be a never-ending battle? Well, let me tell you, my friend, it might be time to consider the impact of stress and anxiety on your energy levels. Stress and anxiety can take a toll on your body, affecting your sleep patterns and leaving you feeling exhausted. Imagine waking up in the morning, feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world, instead of dreading the day ahead. By managing your stress and anxiety levels effectively, you can regain control of your energy and vitality. There are several ways to combat stress and anxiety, such as practicing mindfulness and engaging in regular physical activity. Through mindfulness, you can learn to calm your mind, reduce stress, and promote better sleep quality. Physical activity, on the other hand, releases endorphins that help to improve your overall mood and combat fatigue. Imagine feeling a sense of calm and peace as you conquer your day, with increased focus and mental clarity. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can experience a significant boost in your energy levels and overall well-being. So, my followers, don't let stress and anxiety dictate your life, take charge, and pave the way for a vibrant and energetic lifestyle. Say goodbye to fatigue and hello to a life filled with energy and positivity. If you're ready to reclaim your vitality, click the link in bio to take action, and follow, share, subscribe to join our community dedicated to helping you lead a stress-free, energized life. Together, we can make fatigue a thing of the past and embrace a future filled with vitality and success.